Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sadia and you are watching Sadia Tutorials YouTube channel. Today our topic is a beginner's kit. Our first product is a moisturizer. It makes your skin soft and smooth. Now a primer is optional if you have open pores on your skin, so it is must. Now it looks like this. Now a foundation. It is also optional. It is not included in everyday makeup look. I recommend a BB cream to you. इससे आपका मेकअप नेचुरल लगता है. ये 3 BB creams मार्केट में बेस्ट हैं. Now a concealer. This is a stick concealer. I recommend this to you. Otherwise there are many concealers in market. Mistress concealer is also the best concealer in market. Now we need a compact powder. Our makeup cannot stay without a setting powder or a compact powder. Now see how it looks like. Now we need a beauty blender. It is the must. Brushes are the most important part of our makeup. इनके बगैर आप makeup अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. These are the 6 brushes that we really want. Now an eyeliner. This is a pen liner and best for beginner's kit. Now see how it looks like. Now an eyeshadow palette. It has 14 shades, 2 contours and 2 blush. Now a highlighter. I use this highlighter to highlight my face areas. Now see how it looks like. Now a most important part of a makeup, yes, a lipsticks. इसके बगैर तो मेकअप ही कंप्लीट नहीं. और टीनेजर्स हैं तो यकीनन न्यूड्स ही यूज़ करेंगे. So I am showing you these 4 nudes color. These 10 are also the most beautiful shades. Stay blessed and goodbye.